This table shows the population of a city every 10 years since 1970. So the first question, number 3, says find the best fitting quadratic model for the data, round to 3 decimal places. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put this table into our calculator to find the correct equation. So the way we do that on our calculator is we're going to go to the home screen, then we're going to press new. If it asks you to save, press no. We're first going to add lists and spreadsheets. This is where you enter in all your data points. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you label A and B. Now you could type years inside A, or you could just simply type X. Then make sure you come over and label your B column. Again, you could type population, but you could also just type Y. So now we're going to enter in all of our data points into these white cells. So we have 0, 10, 20, 30, and 40. Then we're going to enter in our Ys. We have 489, 801, 1202. Make sure you don't type the comma. That's going to mess it up if you type in your comma. 2959. And press enter on the last data point. Next, we need to get our scatter plot in order to actually put our quadratic equation on top of it. So the way you're going to do that is you're going to press Control Doc for a new page. The new page you're going to choose is Data and Statistics. So you're going to have some points all jumbled up. Let's put them in the right places. So on this horizontal axis on the bottom, it says click to add variable. We're going to add X because that's what goes on the horizontal. On the vertical, you're going to use Y because that's the vertical. Now, it told us to use a quadratic. Well, we know this isn't linear because these points would be straight across in a line. So since they're kind of curved, let's try a quadratic and see how that fits. So we're going to press Menu. We're going to do Analyze, Regression, and then Quadratic. So this line fits on my points relatively neatly. It's not going to be perfect. It's best modeling. Real-world data isn't always a perfect quadratic. So now it says to round to 3 decimal places. So we're going to have y equals 1.209 x squared plus 12.999 x plus 504.257. And there's the equation that best models the data.